And in Ash.
Quite big descent. Can you see? Sweat.
Hot. Rough. It's good.
Light work.
Light work, yeah. What the newbie saying is light work, innit? Well, apart from this one.
Light work. That's a carrot. Oh, you got some pick socks on as well.
We got a few sponsors going on here, yeah. North Face out here. North Face. This guy. Go outdoors, innit?
Outdoors thing.
This one. Fresh in it. Portugal. Straight from Lisbon. Finally stopped crying in it, but you know, he got it here first. It's calm, innit? But still, I was flying the drone, chilling. But he's gassed for the first time. He got to the top first.
Sorry, excuse me. I got here before you as well. I did.
Alright, we're finally at the top. We're just waiting for the rest to arrive. Trey. Who else are we missing? Trey, Ben Taylor,
Ben,
and Sarge.
We came out at 8. We arrived as 8.
What's the story?
We came out at 8. We arrived as at 5.
Yeah, about time, boys. 3.5 hours waiting for you, banana. Fair play, innit? So proud of you, innit? Nah, first time. I'm proud of you, boys, and even though it took long, proud of you still. Nah, man, well done, innit? Well done.
Appreciate it, bro.
You need to go up there, reach the highest point.
I got cramp right at the top.
Go on, let's officially make this guy summit Ben Nevis. Ben is gonna summit Ben Nevis. 7.5 hours. Officially the last guy to summit today. 7 hours.
Nigga, we made it.
Cool. Finally got to the end. That's the bridge right there, where it all began. Some of our fallen brothers are still up there. Somewhere.
My legs. We did it, man. Yeah, come here.
Oh, made it back.
I've got these belts after that. Hammy went. The car's been solid.
How's it going, boys?
Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah. Sorry.
Raphael, how you feeling, man?
Good, man.
Enjoyed it?
Time, yeah, good first time.
Yeah. My legs are literally shaking.
Get him in here. My feet are swollen, man. You what?